Good day to all. Hope you are all fine, children. Let us learn from vocabulary junction, grammar junction and phonics junction from our first lesson, that is Raghu's adventure. Is it right? Okay. From vocabulary junction, let us learn about prefixes and suffixes. Okay? From vocabulary junction, we are going to learn what are prefixes and what are suffixes. Okay? Let us see first what are prefixes. Let us take an example of these words: non-stop, non-stop, and overturn, overturn. See, here the word non-stop is formed by adding non to the word stop. Okay? By adding non to the word stop, the word formed is non-stop. So here non is a prefix. Prefix is added in front of a word. Okay, so it is known as prefix. Non-stop. From this word non-stop, non is a prefix. Then here the other word, overturn. Overturn. This word is formed by adding over to the word turn, turn. So it becomes overturn. What is prefix here? Over is the prefix. And other examples for the words with prefix are non-profit, non-profit, overact, overact. Okay? Undercover, undercover. So in these words, what are prefixes? Non, over and under. These words are prefixes. Okay? Next, let us see what are suffixes. Here there are examples of words with suffixes. See, kindness, kindness, K-I-N-D, kind, N-E-S-S, ness, kindness. So, here this word is formed by adding N-E-S-S at the end of the word, K-I-N-D, kind. So, the word becomes kindness. Okay. Here N-E-S-S is the suffix. The other word is sweetness, sweetness. N-E-S-S is added to the word sweet. Then it becomes sweetness. N-E-S-S is the suffix. Next, other word, brightness. Brightness is formed when N-E-S-S is added to the word bright. Next, membership. Here to the word member, S-H-I-P is added. So, here the suffix is S-H-I-P. Okay. Next, useless. What is the word? Useless. Here, L-E-S-S is added as suffix to the word U-S-E, use. Then it becomes useless. Did you understand, children? What are prefixes and what are suffixes and how the words are formed using prefixes and suffixes? Okay. Next, we are going to learn from grammar junction. Here, let us learn how the words since and for are used in sentences and when they are used in sentences. Then, we use the word since to refer to a point in time. Since is used to refer to a particular point in time, such as 10 o'clock, like since 10 o'clock. Next, Monday, since Monday. 3rd August, since 3rd August. Okay, let us see the example of sentences using since. Mohit has been living here since 2010. Mohit has been living here since 2010. Okay, the other example can be I haven't gone to school since last Monday. I haven't gone to school since last Monday. Okay. Next, we use for. The other word we are learning is for. We use for, F-O-R, for, to refer to a period of time. It refers to a period of time, such as 10 minutes. How many minutes? For 10 minutes. Next, for 5 years. For 4 weeks. See the example of sentence. Tarzan lived in the jungle for 20 years. Tarzan lived in the jungle for 20 years. I waited for the bus for half an hour. I waited for the bus for half an hour. Okay. So, these are the examples using since and for. And you will find these exercises to do in your first lesson. Okay, at the back of the lesson. Next, let us learn from phonics junction. The letters I, E. The letters I, E can be pronounced in two different ways. The letters I, E can be pronounced in two different ways. What are they? Like I, E. First is like I. What is the first type? Like I. See here, few words are given as examples. P-I-E, pie. Can you see I-E in this word? Yes. So, P-I-E. What it sounds? How is it pronounced? Like I. P-I-E, pie. Next, D-I-E, die. L-I-E, lie. T-I-E, tie. Did you understand? Next, the other way is to pronounce like, it can be pronounced like E. Okay, see the examples of the words in which I, E are pronounced like E. C-H-I-E-F, chief. C-H-I-E-F, chief. B-R-I-E-F, brief. Next, B-E-L-I-E-F, belief. Next, G-R-I-E-F, grief. Okay, in these words you can see I-E. Is it right? C-H-I-E-F, chief. B-R-I-E-F, brief. In all these words you can see I-E and they are pronounced like E. Did you understand, children? I-E letters can be pronounced in two different ways in different words. Okay. Here ends our first lesson, children. In next class, let us start